Hello, I'm Brandon with MeetEdgar. You may be wondering, does MeetEdgar post to Instagram? The answer is absolutely. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. So you asked and we answered. You can schedule your Instagram post in MeetEdgar and he'll take care of sending them straight to Instagram. Edgar also has direct posting, no mobile app needed. Instagram is a great addition to any social media marketing strategy. With over 1 billion users and an engagement rate that is 10 times higher than Facebook and engaging features like stories and IGTV, it's an excellent way to reach even more of your community. Now, MeetEdgar makes it easy to plan, schedule, and post Instagram content. Alright, let's show you how MeetEdgar for Instagram works. First, you would need to connect your Instagram account. This process is actually very simple. Click the Instagram button on the Accounts page and choose either business or personal profile to connect. Then follow the prompts. MeetEdgar recommends connecting as a business profile. After you're all set up, you will be able to schedule posts on Instagram with MeetEdgar as you do with Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Click the Add Content button, and you can schedule photos, videos, and carousel photo posts to your feed or your Instagram story. Just like your other social media platforms in MeetEdgar, you can create custom categories for your Instagram content. So, if you want to create Motivational Monday posts or Behind the Scenes Thursdays, simply add those categories into your recurring schedule. This can be especially useful if you want to batch your social media posting and create multiple posts all at once. MeetEdgar can also recycle your Instagram content for you. That way, if you're promoting an evergreen piece of content such as an email lead magnet, webinar, article, training, or blog post, you can recycle your post so that you are continuously promoting it. This ensures that you never run out of things to post. Scheduling your Instagram content in advance gives you more time to engage with your followers and other Instagram users. While no one knows how the Instagram algorithm works, most experts believe that engaging with other users, responding to comments, and having a consistent feed can help improve your rank in the feed, so you'll be reaching more of your audience in the same amount of time. And if you have any questions about this functionality, please don't hesitate to reach us at support@meetedgar.com.